This is a sample report summarizing pyCapsid's results. This section provides the details of the molecular structure, including the number of residues, chain information, assembly information, and images of the structure. This section describes the model used. This includes the E&M type, the stiffness constant, and a plot of the linear regression used to calculate it. This section provides the results of low-frequency mode calculations. This includes the number of low-frequency modes used, the ones that yield the best correlation with experimental B factors, and a comparison between experimental and predicted B factors. This section provides the results of the quasi-rigid cluster identification. This includes a plot of the quality score for each attempted clustering, an image of the full structure with the highest quality mechanical units colored, and an image with the full structure with each residue colored according to its cluster quality score. For more information regarding results not included in the report, see another video. Yada yada.